Hello and welcome to Love Anything Art. Here's another holiday earrings for you. I've rolled out 2 balls of each color, and these are just holiday themed colors. Begin by taking one of the colors and rolling it between your fingers. You'll want to roll one end of it to a point, and then flip it over and roll the other end to a point, and then smooth everything out. And if this is your first time tuning in, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Just want to let everybody know that I will be making 25 videos for the month of December, all holiday themed earrings and or jewelry pendants. So I hope you join me tomorrow also, and the day after, and the day after, and the day after, and you get the point. And then continue on with all of the other beautiful colors. Take a ball of silver clay and roll it out until it's pretty thin. Take one of your light bulbs and begin wrapping one end with the silver clay. I wrap it around about 3 times and then just cut off the excess. And then just kind of tuck that little middle end piece in. And bada bing, bada boom. Pretty groovy, huh? And then you'll just continue on and do each of the other pieces. And I will show you how I did the small little one. It's basically the same. You'll just want to roll out the gray clay a little bit more. Wrap it around, cut off the excess, and that's it. I would recommend pre-poking your eye hook holes, especially on the little small pieces, and then adding in your eye hooks. And then for the candy cane light bulbs, just take a little bit of this candy cane that I made, and I did make this in a previous video, and I will leave a link to it in the description box below. Just cut off a little piece and then twist it. And then gently roll it out until it's pretty thin. And I've rolled out some white clay into the shape of the light bulbs. And I'll just begin by taking my candy cane that's been rolled out and put it on the very tip of the white, and then very gently start to twist and turn it and get it in the layers and rows. And then just continue twisting and tucking it all into place until you reach the other end. Kind of looks like a little beehive. You just take it and roll just one end into a point, and you will lose a little bit of that little swirly pattern that it has, but that's okay. I think it looks good. Take some more of that gray clay that we rolled out earlier and just begin twisting it around the end that it wasn't completely covered. And again, I'll just roll it around about 3 times. And then just tuck that top part in the middle. Pre-poke your eye hook holes for these too, and then add in your eye hooks. Bake all of your light bulbs. Glue in all of your eye hooks. Now for the fun, messy part. I've taken a little bit of glitter. For the blue, I'll use blue glitter. For the green, I'll use green. And then I have these 2 whites. This one has a little bit of red flecks in it, so I'll use it on the red. And then this one is just plain white. And then I am not going to put any on my little candy cane ones because I think they're beautiful and perfect, just like they are. I'm going to use some of this UV resin. Pour a little bit into a mold so it is easier to dip my paintbrush in there and get some of that resin out. And get my glitter ready. And I'm using these pliers to hold on to the tips of the eye hooks so that I can resin my pieces and also apply glitter when I'm done. I'll just give it a nice, thin, even coat all the way around just on the blue part. Then I'll use another pair of tweezers and I will just pinch and put a little bit of glitter all around the blue. And then I used a little mini UV light that I have to cure it just for a few minutes. And then I will apply another coat of UV resin all the way around. This time I did make it a little bit thicker, and that's just to cover all of the glitter. And then I will use my UV resin light once more and cure it until it's completely dry. And these are all of my pieces once they are resined and baked and assembled. I really like the way the candy cane ones turned out, and I enjoy the little sparklies of all of the others. And I hope you join me for the rest of the month, because I will be making a video every day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!